Greetings Guzzlers, I'm going to make some marzipan, or as some people call it, some weird people, almond paste. I need some, and I've got some almond flour left over, and luckily just the right amount. I've got 220 grams of ground up almonds. And so all I need to add to that is some ordinary sugar, cast sugar or granulated, 90 grams of that, and 140 grams of icing sugar or powdered sugar, and you'll need 1 beaten egg. However, we're going to add a little bit of zing to this one, so we're going to add the zest of a whole orange. You could use a lemon, or you could add nothing at all. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to zest into that bowl my orange. Right, so that's the orange zest in there. These are some funny little espresso type coffees the wife got for Christmas. She hates them, so I thought I might as well try one. This apparently is ginger one. Right, anyway, I'm now going to mix in those sugars. Just get them out of the way. I'm just going to make sure they're all mixed together. Going a bit slow to start with, because we don't want ice and sugar clouds everywhere. Now, when you've made this, it's going to be wrapped up in some cling film, and then you want to chill it for at least 2 hours, which is quite handy because I'm going to be using it later, and it's going to be at least 2 hours before I'll be ready to use it. Like I say, you don't have to put that zest in there. You just leave it plain, or you can add some lemon zest or whatever. So anyway, just beating that egg, in that goes. And now I'm going to start by working that all together, and eventually I should get my hands in there and sort of knead it together as such. Made it into a ball, flattened it out a bit, and then like I said, we're now just going to wrap this in cling film, and that will now go into the fridge to chill till we're ready for it, but at least a couple of hours. So there you go, homemade marzipan, or almond paste if that's what you call it. I suppose some of you might say almond paste as well. Marzipan.